Hey, what's going on? This is Kenny Torbush with Keller Williams Realty. I just wanted to speak on a subject that's currently a big issue um, with the COVID pandemic, with the coronavirus pandemic that's going on. A lot of people, affected financially in having to deal with this thing and having to still pay their bills and everything. The topic is mortgage forbearance, and that is something that could definitely be a blessing to someone that has lost their job, is going to lose their home, can't make their payments. With everything else that's going on, that's just one more thing to try to make those payments. If you have a loss of income, that's definitely something that you should definitely take advantage of that, and things like unemployment insurance, and any other breaks that you can get, if you have been affected by COVID, either directly or indirectly. However, if you don't need it, then don't take it, because that's something that could definitely come back to bite you. If you can make your payments, make your payments, because that's definitely something that the mortgage companies, they're going to be looking for. You owe it. You're either going to have to pay it, after the forbearance period, all of it, or you can spread it out, or you could pay it at the end of your loan. Whether it's additional payments or a lump sum, they're going to want it. Another thing that people haven't thought about is the ability, it doesn't affect your credit directly, but indirectly. So it's not going to hit your credit score, but it will affect, say, if you want to refinance, you're in forbearance, it makes sense. It's like, okay, well, you're saying you can't pay your loan. So why are we going to do a new loan with you? Why are we going to redo your loan? You know, why are we going to, do that type of business with you? And if you are, if you're able to sell your house, if you're in forbearance, the problem a lot of people are seeing now is they sell, and then it's like, okay, well, I gotta buy a new home now, and I gotta get a new mortgage, and then the new mortgage person is like, hold on, you're in forbearance. You just said that you can't pay your payments. How are we supposed to trust that and get into a new mortgage with you? So it's having unintended consequences for people. So just be really careful with that. If it's something that you need, take it. If it's something that you don't need, just pass on it. Just grit it out. If you're like me, you know, it's tough for everybody out here, but directly, my job and everything has been stable. Knock on wood. Definitely, it's tough for anybody that's been affected, but I think you just go and you can just get, you don't have to show much proof for this type of stuff. And so if you're looking for, a quick, way to not pay your mortgage, you can get it approved. Problem is, it's gonna come back, and it might come back in ways that you didn't really expect. So that's just the message for today. Just be careful with that. Anything, you might get more than you ask for. When you go for these type of things, if you really don't need it, just be very careful with that. Anyways, y'all have a great week, and I will be talking to you soon.